Mwachumulili nande tuiranire chetere ikomina ibire maiga ichinsa isato chiabono mambia ase studio gombwato omoske Jeremiah Migos nabo igo omoske Edwin Nyakundi nabondo chilibireria chire nabataito koira natuchaka ukarigento turuchumwaka ngwarole scoreboard tubuguriti tugurigire linganiriri ya nyonsiri niriri ya yeiri indo chega iga honorable job ngirago teba kurwa chinsemo cha Kasarani. Migos is very right. Nyakundi knows that Musiria is not doing the right thing. In fact, I was the MC at KCC 1 with Nana of Egesa. And the intentions was not really for Thanksgiving. It was selfish Musiria from being ousted by Sakaja. Truth be told, even for those in Kuuza wakisi to UDA, but it won't work. Atebanga no alenge master ceremony ya omukutano kia ICC omutangani asaga tebanga mukutano yokorekanete nobuko tanga omusike Musiria taseli kurwa serikali ya Sakaja nebirengera libya yarule semambi yabono ntagete koirana gochasole Mr. Jeremiah kwarigereti siasa yakore tugusi kera yakore tu wachori oboke bugakoru kambi eri yare kororekana kogenda against na Mr. Matiang ya nyorete chinga kichinko onye yabwate nera baraibale serikali babwate chinguru sana. Mr. Musiria, is he losing it? Ese scoreboard itokuligere
nkwera nelia kiki na nyanka ya some examples megucha se Musiria by elections chware ngegusi ukosi abantu be serikali abange bare ngororo naende uno molisi atebanga naende uno batebe speech kwa begoro Musiria naende nko igunde ko Rusia abanda batebanga engombe roro neri gura kamu tutiranyora modi, which I don't agree with them. But irende ngatali njo mugaka njema ya pili oja saba gaka bali bagusi abagaka mbali bali abagaka bechimbuche. What are asking aki rangeri omukutano kisi start ya mugali moto kwanere murangeri babosoro murangeri omulisia murangeri kiro moto naye oche gali abagaka bali bamwe batobori ngaki ngaimutete gochi atoko genda gusengo chirugoro gaiga inkwananga engombe mwatebe gokama timanyi tinga imoka mebinte mwire gochi esengenjo. I come from West Mugirango MP ito Steve Mogaka women lab Cherusa Momanyi abo bale as a tutor. There was no single kilometers yechi pari chichana netu just in centrina kera even a single kilometer pono nye single kilometer tarengo we have Omoembu Steve Mogaka, we have Josh Nyamoko oro UDA, we have Cherusha abantu mbale tete 1 single kilometer ye para nkeke mogo kama amanyi ngamoga.
Very nice.
Anyway, again ntebega ki for Musiria I said na enche nateba I always give credit where it's due. I've been close to Musiria ngwe tomale, which is very good. Na lete tavanto uja which was for okay even before January kireta abantu kabakani ki Musiria tali past egro ko genda gali manya siasa moko genda and which is okay, but how you make your decisions is still okay.
Okay.
Musiria did a good job.
Okay.
There's no mogusi onyakurangeria abantu bejore kia ICC the way it did. Meaning inga igoto iso kutuwara umuntu tomo choke buya na bara turangeri na intu. Oyo nate bangaba gusiba analire babwate bitina. Yes, that's why ngaki ni internal ndangeri ditukeri oyo nara akurangeri uchirwali. Orangeri mukutano urubaki na njengo bego bende kia ICC. Aba gusina otonali them. Musirio template this time kurangeria bagusi na ende bagata bagaichura. But what I don't agree with him. Poni gaba gusibonsi bibagote abanga mbabwate Matiango batete connect. You cannot be against ngogende against because maybe Musiria yes interest una abanda bate baganiga siare protect is okay. Your personal interest cannot supersede interest of the community. Lorote so ugabu onye Musiria gatete kuchikobera naba gusia with some future let him listen atekere na barabu ngai mwante bitoko enda guchiga nero genda. That's the only way because he wants to be a leader. Talk where make a leader. It's these people out to make a leader. But okay. If you ignore them, they will never. Mawako nyoro yo ne Musiria tele weko ibole to andona bange bana ndo bako nyora nata Musiria pambobeke gali bakobeka aside and you could have lost. So to me is scorecard. The only thing I say tinga alikurangeria abantu bali gali ababeke tuacha kubasaba abantu baito tyato beramo njemo mateni nda serikali ga bali banu bwato bakongonde na mogo tema igoto nyorega guchimatega ali moja moto ngai tokwa no boko yetigera gali. But yate abenga nero tukura kama ngagochie ye itoteranyore mo you know already abantu ni bafiri they will not agree with me and I say tinga I've known Musiria for some time igarangire abantu ta expected abantu bali because into opose online abantu abangentu opose okani abantu kiyo nimukutano siasa mogenda lakini rende sengejo nato bwete chinguru akarangire bagaika let's accept nato bwete chinguru wose konyere bwera tutumire abantu batotigire ngabo migozi aya tigaji n'abantu bayebecha egusia rangeri baje into amusia turawati Musiria bakomobuati neringa igetegari akabo over excited maybe SBJ ya brand ya soma gari agasireriwa agasoma ibintu biyaye what am I and humbly asking Musiria rangere no mukutano nde useso wa TikTok ya ndo kubana to post to blogi watebenga yayo nyanagada magoso pole inje na inje nindereti aninde serenganya okorike barua kiane lakini rende keromo wisaranza mwa mwenga ngo cyatoko genda na inje nimba maskani alimu angere ko barangeri mwacha na inje mba maskani mbwa dujia se moko genda guchi batyanga ndujia sata gete ina yaje endo kyo maende ko kwana kendo amangana machenga mata bangana rangeri aba chikabira chinde cyo gusigali barayibaito mba togeto. This is the same thing I've always been questioning inje na inje ndase timu ya matenga na whatever obokongumbole gari esenge njonga campaign ya Matiang twaye kolire yabeire enkongu we as a community we are not supporting Matiang bali bako mo support online ajigana boko mutangaza ayo mutangaza kukasara uyo pati asotota kere actions nto yororo
okay
that's why campaign ya yabeire enkongu I expected yekero Matiangero twaro mukutano gusimu ye chikabire gichinde I saw Lekenta I saw some elected leaders bali I expected aba gusibos bali leaders bali ngusi to be in that meeting.
Okay.
I expected our elected leaders ya bari nkaba chumba bali bagutara na Matiang day and night inikiru Onyonga Okongo Mugeni Kibagendi Enkoko to be in that meeting. The reason being there it doesn't mean ngakarugo chagari ngano no muntu ngo yudi atoke gari nga Matiang nakoboli ngangi wacha wakora you see but there's that picture moko abantu bali bani ngaki ya yanto gwata wo difference ni go sort but at some point ndoje toigwana ne tokende kuchigari
ayo mushimi gatendara kuboli watabira barayiba gusiba boro mushimi wa Matiang timu yaye ule timba tigo sole ime go sole periphery because ndanyoro yo mogo ndenga ninde akini tindaika ime adara kuboli umushimi wa Matiang ne rotaligo network na bandoli barayiba gusi use na barayiba out of order
tiante venga numaete ekero kuri ekero especially kyo president like Matiang bono this is the first time it's not been there bona o create network yes a lot na boko overwhelmed patirene abo overwhelmed ko sena to weaknesses never it is own weaknesses we will not blame him because obo president ko boja kusi tari wa Matiang as an individual it's coming for the community so it's us value community to lega tubwente ko tema tore ngaki chigapo chiga itogo fili oyiwata banga nere no ale na nda kabaisiko no tolega abo banta bange no bale but eliso na suwa banta bange bale ga ali nere bakabaisiko neme kole ye mu surround tiga iga a project they don't want to allow abantu ro bate good ideas ba chemi na inde na banta babuno yate banga na bantu bo wanta na bantu bahangiti just only go ti ya Matiang so that why the next election but in the mapemere what I just want to ask because maybe mbantegerete just call a meeting igore gento keri abantu bonse baje no ayeno yo bono buno yawo kwa nale ata side njabo nkumurangeri musire karoma cyera tumukutaro na njabo ngotema murangera ki musire nchugo cyano wanyo inchuna yora ibunki aba bagoteba kuko nyako megede suri ya ultima so bayigore kambu eri gari abantu batoke gari teba bunere currently umuntu ukuri cyukura cyo kachubo press riko rugusi as we speak Matiang there is no one else ababande bamubwate ekera ko gibamubwate which is not the case tiganga bagusitwe tosoke tuchake kubwati na kina batebringa ki boni yango sentore negative signals like Musire what is doing he was sending negative signals ekero Musire ko abantu bali gali na bali gotigali yakanya wale bali mende igete nete benga tutam kurugali ke umatano naboko na bebire bakwanire
okay
ata community rutore ba support mbago torabuya so ege ntungu sababa gusiba ito bo spinga ki no bali bo mole serikali karole serikali tini kwa tenga tuma kuruoro genda uchia segete pati mesha ibinto ko kora society
tiganda tedwini otegerere monondo chega igo yo mata banga ga kedwini some bibilia ya Saburi 50:20 na ndendo bekiri gitabu gaiga first Samuel isano goika isano isato oyakurunga Pastor Thomas Nyabeta agota akuruchinsa mu cya Butebai
akyongererie fasi ingo soka tingeba
fasi ningo
mangana mwa kwandira chira mange sana timetinga ndiringo chakira kindiga chaka fiwan Matiang should divert politics ya presidential to member of parliament if we can have onye tokonyora tangibeke kiusibya timari gose arigyo bochumbe gosobo gabana bwanyamira onye abana bwategemeta se campaign and batayanga the house is not in order wono turwa se house ere in order tocha se house ere in order with the same people bali ba surrounded. That is one. Number 2, otebire n'abantu basurrounded matiang they are opportunists. So wono turwa se serikali taliwo turwa se serikali as odere as torochi the structure ya 2022 2027 or 2027 2032 togenda as structure ekoliyigwa eye tarabe kuidoda matiang abantu bako mu campaign ri nabo mono but practical mpayo liororochiriraria the young people onye kambi ya matiang yego disown the likes of Migos young brilliant eloquent leaders with ideas kobabeka se kambi bamena kobeka chingondi. Where are we coming in now? Migos yo manyana otebire tole gaiganga kambi ya matiang yego ke manyawo Migos yo campaign iri matiangi while matiang was away in the US. Migos ya so igaria in fact prado ya black yego tacho busi ekerago prepare for the coming of umweshimiwa matiangi egari tu abera nero Nairobi ga dagoreti no tata chetero ne podium but bono I've seen Migos yo ikansta iga a propox ya ege branded matiangi busi ebwata GPS system on his own money. But I've not seen the likes jingo on which is surrounded to Mojimo Matiangi. It is true. Ekero support you Muhambinga, you are supporting a presidential candidate. You are not you are supporting by just visibility. You are not supporting by finances. That is zero. My brother you are a member of parliament elected. Now you make it about the likes
finance visibility
the finances should be felt. Ekero montakuru tongoro you will feel tongoro ne rule ga. Visibility yoko tokororonga tingwa to kananga gosai mweshimiwa fulani ndugu yangu we have been in politics, we know these things. I can see maite finances ya Migos is felt and I wish and I want to call a podium and olbasarori matiang can you live in Migos na mo manya Nairobi na aroli ka kole bintu nyamira before even matiang yanje
gadara kubolia sisi
gato tuare gadara kubolia no mugambike taigwe
abagambike Australia sini Edwin kwa tabire kwa felt
so kwa ni mwaba biased
ndoveti biased indatete ko police wali indatete ko kwali bagegera ogende ne birengeri tosira
na already
waziri already musire ko felt financially beka
tiango boli PS system koleta KICC mbosa na please come and support us ne PS system umungwano yorule gali yae free of charge oyo na aroli njenanyero roma I'm not jitiri kambi ya matiangi for zero work tingiyo 0% tingiyo but na aroli propox ya so mutanda mwamenya kogenda abarai mwamenya kogenda in fact campaign ya matiangi is more dwelling in funerals and churches mwamenya kogenda asa nena abarai abakongu batagete ko nkwana muhabeke ensali mache ekuwa non behalf ya abarai while we have in fact tigango tebi I want to show you what this guy is doing it omera naga but rigereri ono monto motetesi I've seen a letter here. Show me that letter. These are the people who need to give priority. Omontako likera allow me to share this one. I don't know if
producer and look at this.
In fact, the producer need to. These are the people we want to come here. In fact, the moment they come here, presidential structured campaign. Okay. Indeed, we will join. Okay. But the only name in TV, that one. Mheshimiwa Matiang'i, please, thank you very much. Kana okora masoesi, but welcome to the government of the day.
Edwin, biyamono se.
Karibu serikali
ya ndoche na bogenda tekofeke liberera somtandao ote bazo serikali ya moyo. Mugusi na bego toko murai na baraga niko genda serikali.
Na ndio utoli kwa Matiang'i tali go soesi serikali.
Na ragere siasa ya matukabu ngoiga. Mr. Migos na buranyori chinga kichinde aba raina muraka niko twale birengereri. Lirube na liri ryo mwancho murigererie Edwin yago kwanera lirikire ebody kurunga T-board of Kenya lirikire no moskebe Jeremiah Migos asako kwanera banyara kwa bago kwanera nga ebitambukiro biri babekire bikorigererio obora yubobe nabo igo batabanga no nya no bokoreri bokorekana ase chief factory chire ase county ya
umurariri ruberi just a minute ruberi taras was a script. I'm expecting this is the fight for the people yomugusi. I'm expecting ruberi
kuratiga nini ekero teba boige e fight yomugusi twarore sama tukamange matiangi
na utapata kuna mwingine ana fight wewe
twaronyorera matukamange tokonyora matiangi ukwanire bintu biri bitari gokorekana buya sense
abantu bari abachumbe bachorire basaraunded matiang. They should bring these things in the house of the
mo senator bwe county ya Kisii Onyonga naso gatagachaga kwanera iguru ya eke umbegia dani ya tete ko koira egetikia Kenyatta JKI
after he did that alienda wapi
my take egetikia teneti korosi
after that alienda wapi onye mheshimiwa senator come up with this is what I want to see asaba kusibaito onye mheshimiwa senator Onyongo tenelirenga let me talk about the community, let me talk about corruption.
Twara kututu chache South kibage ndiga ukwanira igoro yasha nibwa tubututukana
ntagete korora de abantu bale abagusi bale elected bale magega bale maga ya matengo bale maga ya kibage ndi baute banga yes on substantial matters. Sha is not working asingi nchonga for example nyagitari I'm giving an example nyagitari ya nyanchwa for example abangi nambale gali 10 tuachire kuri practically tuachire kuri mpali
sawa
na in fact no ukona chaiga in fact I wish to see abagusi baito bale elected kurangiride in charge of shamus batyo yokoro kumasi somebody kumuira gusi aire abantu baito ngaki how is sha working or not working and what is not or what
urakiri bakorera boigo gwitira sebunge ngwaro chembarang bamurangiriti maete boni gabara ibaito
umurai before we talk about the parliament international about our community first
lakini nende national entity na abegetu up to task IRS ama kabeso na pending bills chenye kitali changire
as far as
urugo rwalia
umurai umuswati mota yangu orange kocha bunge na arangiri kiambu barangiri kiambu akaeresera aba ekirambina ngiye gora shaita
nabera tokene county government ya murangire tutaratiga ndoje chiaminyokire sana chinza chiaminyokire sana Mr. Duinyo kwanire Mr. Jeremiah Migosti Mr. Jeremiah mangana we yomweli nteto utakira abantu ba Christmas ikiya na siasa ya gusio yes scoreboard eseberta bono yo
tiangira nande ntebenga egento ngira kwana kero abantu mbale sekambya matiang batego kora ibintu tele itwe that's credit totebania kene ngaki ekereke tochikoriki asito gwata magoso to accept so to rectify tukosia magoso ari umuntu nawo tebya bungaki no ndeme naenda no ndeisiko nabantu abange bagukwana igo no yote abanga abantu bali asenje bale mekora bonera takurwa sere structured and asetary and structured that's why ayuri kwarulenga these things no structured inju to bwatisi we will keep complaining kuri mali inje botambe ngo complain kidegali tari kurusiko tiwana ndiko sababu kuroba konkura kurwo inje ngukura kurumeganga yaya ibinde bimbo bebire to rectify copinga ntolectify bintu matengezo chimotugali tumutire gasire raisi nento bali tolense gali tunyako batoko mokona because matiangina akolete gasi that's why litalie dire oroba na akolete gasi kiro monte kero kwenda asinji kora tana ndike nyingi mana siasa cyane kwatekerera kwaigwa Ruto ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza bakolire bintu bahamwira ngwana bale Singapore iho umuntu tutigale tiga gocha goterena tomutigere gente ke togwanya Ruto kaje kero Singapore ngaitwe ikire matiangiwe ko tose timu eri yenda nero watamanga
Mr. Jeremiah
ndege tutarate bya ndabitu bagusingeringa kim tubwaterane tutene namo tutuwarogomo naende kero tuko chora barai kotoranje because asi tokuligereri Kenya ngima sobora ibotari okolega singusiyoka asinge toka twakira abantu sinjo echibesa na clanism twenda apo correct abantu the wrong people ndongo saba abantu betu chimotuka ngaki the moment to correct the wrong people ni mokumia tochora barai yabaya tebe abantu betu bagusi wish them a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Patireni matengo bakuboro Christmas ngekayo no kubatakiranga tonyo kubwaterana at some point. Ntoje tubaira libintu byabo biri abantu bayibire special ba director.
Assess scoreboard yawo batebire oborai bwa gusimbo bwa tomuchando. Mr. Edwin.
Onzabe kura ya Nyamira korboge tutu masaba. Abanya nyanya ngwa kana Nairobi ya chine njiro gusi. Musiria delivered. He did his best. We want to see the most of Musiria extended to Gusii region. The likes of Migosi, abantu, young people, vibrant people, eloquent people, adequate vaina ne oraibori tutaitibure adequate as a community. How I wish that can happen. Namba ibere into kiabwango mono I want to appeal abagusi tigatoma abantu abangaini nchekina kine na atiga abagusi bakoro kugetinginye kengaini timaitinga ibasirira gatigande kaberega I think no mongondi bwabere obonge abagusi tigatokore gasine serikali turanyora magendero baratokorere pari bateba duo lane turanyenyora na tukwenda gusi tuarosire kobere jam tuangusa kwanya ziteka chinke kire gusi. How I wish na tutonyore SGR yogotenera kuruni sana ibasha ngange kuruna ibasha etari bosongo jituka iga kinaro rine ngati bari tuzo kunyare ndege twari ne SGR twago bosongo twanya kwebanga ugisito nyamataro mate finally injebuna nyakundi Nairobi gaiga I want to call abantu baitonga ki okerugo kyo bogavana obo senator yani obo governor wa Nairobi mweshimiwa Sakaja ese tamu yari ime tigatora support ya serikali to gochi mutwe ga 2027 ni to tulirenga ki ngayituro chibuna abantu baitwale Nairobi.
Karwa ni message yawe ya Christmas ni
abantu baminto gusi enchare ya to bwatire enchare ne nyinge kaki muche mogende asaba chumbe bali baino kyaramba kaire Christmas mogendo ororo kaki baba igentu ki baba yanganti ngaoni ground sini mota yabataite bacho 2027 kaki gendo ororo muye beseri eto ya CDF esirete muyi koruororo murigereri chibesi chetu tararete rwa magendero monyore Christmas ikyarenje ni maite bonus tekayo mugochikoria erinde mutondera abana baragere korera mutware Christmas yekia na ande mwaro chari finally mwaro chari KICC abana barengali abanyaruka barege very smart. Those ladies, we have supported them. I'm the founder of Epic International Ushers Kenya. Hakiki mure gari gusina nchi na bonko bono na mochumbe. Ekeruwa the function igana bongo cha igandu tabana bali bosa ayengo kwa bosa singi nalo no bwate you have a brilliant mind era konyeke. Ngo kwa bosa iga ba konya mangana ushers. Ekera to bwate extended to other counties. Christmas iki abantu baminto na Soko TV family is the place to be. Mwareta mangana mundana toko semia abantu.
Biya mono sana, asante sana nilibire lyalengega iga David Korukisi dindoche birengera byona birolire sagoteba ukorusirie amamochasi nini na ndamono tebire kero ko machikoreka ko mumachiumurai matiange ko bo muchando ndamono wanchumuligere ligo kirabutwikiro mweli bumurubiri w'ensoko bwakire twalenge nekikosi yakadana litikolia lero chingwa na chine natigantebe chinsase chiokire gaiga musikejere maya migosi nabwo atamaru bagendete ko bwati aseke gambiro na ndamono otebire ubulimi bw'echae kurwa sensemo ya gusi niko bagendete konyoro muchando monne sana sikiliate ababara ibataikaransia sobwa mubaligere libanyara ko bako bwaterana na korango mulimi onyoli robo ene bwaye ekonyara ko bakorekana ngumuchando noro no mulimi nero mosemirie kirago chiko bagago choro mu director aligere linga ningumanyete igoro yakemeli ekyo Edwin agoteba no muchio Nairobi yala agoteba bagisibale aso muchio Nairobi banyolero monogeri wikirabu mwanchu muligere twikiro mwali bo mulebe bwensoko bwakire twarenge na Diana Binde mule sesemo ya kabiri studio Barnabas imbu ya mono asogotobeka asembe ona korama liugingo sokale bya sana Deborah na korole ases Dorina morole sesemo ya kabiri studio nabo igo Tall D na Zak no barayi bo mwanchu muligere tigatogenda umutimuko tokolera